Good morning, boys and girls, or I guess boys and girl. All right, so we are going to quickly review all of the angles that you've learned this week. So the first one we learned this week was the right angle. And remember, I used my little broken business card here to have the corner of something. And that is what formed the right angle, right? When it's the corner of a square, that angle is 90 degrees. And remember, those rays can go on and on and on forever in one direction. They do not always go on in both directions, okay? That's just something to know. So your right angle is something that makes the side of a square or book or the side of your computer. It's a perfect 90 degrees. An obtuse angle, we say big and loose. It's obtuse. And when we have an obtuse angle, they're really big. They're bigger than the 90 degrees. So if we have a ray going out that way, we're going to have a ray going out. Whoa, kind of messy. We're going to have a ray going out this direction. And this angle here is obtuse. It's big and loose. Okay? So it's not going to be small. It's bigger than 90 degrees. Okay, the last one, we say it's a cute little angle. Okay, when we have a cute little angles, they're little. They're little angles. They are not bigger than 90 degrees. They're small. Okay, they are not straight up and down. They are smaller than that. They are acute angles. They are little angles. So we're going to go over a couple of these. I'm going to go over them with you. I'll write them for you even. All right, name that angle. All right, so we have this one, a right angle forms a square. Green one, an acute angle is less than a right angle, less than 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is greater than a right angle, greater than 90 degrees. I'm even going to put that right here, 90 degrees. Okay, so if we have this guy here, if we could make a perfect little box, which we can, in the angle, what is that one called? Right. Oh, I might need a new pen. That's a right angle, good. If this is an itty bitty teeny angle, it is an acute. We say it's a cute little angle. And this one is bigger than 90. The 90 degree line would go right here. So this one's obtuse. Big and loose. It's obtuse. Okay. This one, it's another one that's bigger than 90. It's obtuse. This one, we check it. Can we put a perfect square in the middle? We sure can. That means it's a right angle. If it's a skinny little angle, it's a cute little angle. Right? All right, last line. A little tiny itty bitty one. It's an acute little angle. Oh, this one's big and loose. It's obtuse. And the last one, we're going to check, can we put a perfect little square in there? We can. That makes it a right angle. All right, friends. Okay, so for the rest of your work for today, you guys have a review page, which I put up on your Google. Let's see how we can get this to work. Right, there's got to be a way. No, I'm not sure there is. No. Sorry, friends. It's gonna be wobbly. All right, so you have this one. Put the angles in the correct box made by Miss McGee. Not very pretty, but it works. So you're gonna take these angles and you'll drop them in the boxes they belong in, okay? All right, next one, you're gonna look at these angles and you're gonna type the word acute, obtuse, or right. It is not the same worksheet that I just did with you. So you are gonna need to do this one, okay? And the last one down here is kind of a challenge. Let me see if I can zoom in. Okay, so this one's kind of a challenge. I even put challenge page. That means you don't have to do it if you don't want to. But you're gonna type the name, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna type the 4 different names. This is called a straight angle. I'll put that in there for you. So you're gonna do that. I don't know why my computer's buzzing. Then these ones, you're gonna circle the letter that best answers or best completes the sentence. A straight angle measures 180 degrees because it's a straight line. That was a little tip in your one of your videos, but you don't need to know that. So an angle that measures 110 is called a right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, or straight angle. It would be obtuse, big and loose. It's obtuse. So you're just going to drag the circles around to the different answers. You might want to pop into Zoom and ask a teacher to read this for you. Okay? But you have just those 3 pages to do today. Okay? So you'll drag the angles in the correct box, type the angles here, and if you want to do the challenge page, you totally can, but you do not have to. All right, that's all you guys have for math today. That's it. All right, enjoy your day.